Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I am showing you guys a tutorial of these butterfly locks. I also made a video doing something similar, doing the soft locks, fox locks. I will put that up in this video so you guys can check that out too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this. So I started off using the jam. You'll need a comb and you'll need the crochet needle, and the hair is called the Free Tress Water Wave 22 inch. That's what I'm using. Okay, so you're gonna start off by grabbing 2 pieces of the water wave hair. You're gonna put them together, you're gonna fluff them out, and then you're gonna take your crochet needle and stick it in the braid. And what you're gonna do is, so you're gonna grab the hair, you're gonna hook the hair onto the needle, and you're gonna pull it out. I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling to put the hair onto the needle. The hair is really like slippery. It was hard, like I was struggling. But as you continue to do it, it will get easier. Okay, finally. So as you can see, I'm pulling the hair through the braid. I'm gonna take one side of the hair, and I'm gonna pull it out so it'll be even like that. And then with one side of the Free Tress hair, you're gonna even it out to, right now I'm actually braiding the hair back to normal because it got loose. Okay, now, so you're gonna grab one side of the Free Tress hair, you're gonna even it out to the length that you want your locks to be on one side. As you can see, one side of the hair is going to be shorter and one side of the hair is going to be longer. So the shorter part is what you're going to connect to the braid, and the long piece you're going to wrap around the braid. Now you're going to get ready to start wrapping the hair. I'm wrapping it to my right, I think. Yeah, my right. So you're going to continue to wrap it. You're going to wrap it at the top really tight so it doesn't become loose. And I'm going to show you guys how to get that distressed look in a minute. Hold on. Okay, so to get that bumpy distressed look, you see how I put my thumb on top of it, and then I wrap the hair around my thumb, loosely though, and I'm going to continue to wrap the hair around. Like, you see how I put it over my thumb and then I let it go, and I wrap it again tightly, and then I continue to wrap it loose however you want. I like it to be wrapped loose for that distressed type of look. Okay, and as you get to the end of the lock, you're gonna grab the long piece that's hanging, and you're gonna wrap it upwards, and then you're gonna grab the small piece and then wrap it around the end, and then with the long piece that's up, you're gonna wrap it like the opposite way that you wrapped it down, and wrap it up. It's so difficult to explain, but I'm gonna show you guys again. I'm gonna show you guys 2 more times so you see how I did it. Okay, again with a fresh lock, you're going to get your crochet needle. You're gonna stick it in between the braids and stick and grab the free tress hair and pull it through. Okay, once you pull it through, as you can see with my right hand, I'm grabbing a smaller piece. It's gonna be shorter than the piece on my left hand. So you're gonna wrap the long piece around, starting tightly at the beginning, and as you go down, you can loosen the hair so you can get that distressed look. As you see here, you're gonna grab that piece. I'm wrapping it over my thumb loosely, and I'm gonna continue to do that. And that's how you get that messy type of look. So you're gonna wrap it over your thumb and wrap it around. And you can do that as many times as you want. So I'm coming towards the end of the log. You're gonna grab that long piece, wrap it up, and then the little piece that you've seen, you're gonna wrap it around at the end to creating that knot, that little knot at the end of the log. That's what you're creating at the end. So you're gonna wrap that piece around until there's no more hair left. And once you're done with that, you grab the longer piece of hair and you wrap it the opposite way up towards that lock. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys one more time. This time I'm not gonna talk, I'm gonna just let you guys watch how I do it. Okay, so I have completed this entire head. As you can see, I did do square parts all around. This is a full lace wig. If you guys are interested in buying one of these wigs, I can make one for you because I make these wigs myself. Just hit me. You can comment down below if you guys are interested in the wig, or you can email me All that information will be in the bio, in my description below. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.